OneNote Class Notebook is a digital notebook that provides workspace for every student and teacher to store text, images, handwritten notes, attachments, links, voice, video, and more. This video provides instructions for teachers to set up their class notebook. Visit the following URL and sign in with your credentials. Click the Class Notebook Sign In button. Enter your email address and password and click Next. This is the OneNote Class Notebook dashboard. It allows the teacher to create a class notebook, add or remove students or teacher to the class notebook, or manage your already existing class notebooks. We will create class notebook. It includes a content library for teachers to share course contents, a collaboration space where teachers and students can work together, and a private notebook for each student. Click Create a Class Notebook. Enter the name of your class. This can be the name of your course or subject. In this example, NPA is the name of the subject, and F16TL is the name of the batch. These are the three areas that will be in your class notebook by default. Enter collaborative class teacher if any. You can type teacher's name or email address to add additional teacher to your class notebook. We will now add students to the class. You can add a list of students using name or email address that are separated with semicolon. These are default sections that will be in students' notebook. This is the preview of teachers' and students' notebook. You are all done. You can now open your class notebook either using browser or in OneNote application installed on your mobile device or PC. Here we use web browser. This is the GUI of OneNote Class Notebook. You can customize your notebook here to fit your needs. The leftmost column represents sections. We can see collaborative space section. It's a shared space where teacher and students can share their ideas, write notes, share resources among class fellows, or ask questions and so on. You can create multiple pages within a section. The third most left column is the view of a page. It is where you can write, edit, or remove the contents. Content library is the place where teacher can add, edit and view the contents but student can only view it. This place can be used to upload course material for students to access it, such as course contents, teaching plan, class calendar, learning resources for students, lab handouts, and so on. If you have already prepared teaching plan, you can add it to this page by going to Insert, File, File Printout. You can add another page to the section of course material. Let's say teaching plan for lab. You can add more pages such as lesson plan or additional learning resources that you want student to view it. You can create results section, and within it you can create pages to display sessional marks for theory or practical. You can also format text, apply styles and so on. You can add feedback section to take feedback from students to help one improve quality of teaching. You can use Microsoft Forms to add already prepared forms to the OneNote Class Notebook page. Sign into your account and select the form, and click Insert. Students can fill the form right into the class notebook page. We can access students' notebooks and view the activity done by them. We can create handout section in Content Library to let students access lab handouts. You can upload lab handout or paste the contents of lab handout in class notebook page. You can remark or grade the activity done by students on their notebook. To do so, select the Draw tab, and use pen or marker to annotate the contents of students' notebook. You can also write equations using pen and they can be recognized automatically. In a shared notebook, it can be hard to know who has made each change. Show Author option allows you to visualize the annotation or text between student and teacher. Immersive reading is a tool that allows student with dyslexia and dysgraphia to read the text clearly. You can use page version option to see variations of page edits from time to time. You can distribute section or page to all students in class. For example, a teacher can distribute an assignment or lab handout to a group or all the students in a class. To do so, click the Distribute Page option. You can copy or move contents from one notebook to another notebook. For instance, if you are teaching the same subject that you taught last year and would like to use the contents from last year's notebook, you can add or remove students to the class. You have option to either remove student or remove student and its notebook as well. Use Manage Notebook option to enable teacher-only section. You can also lock permission to edit collaborative space or share notebook with student's guardian or parent. You can open Class Notebook in OneNote desktop application. This gives you access to advanced features such as audio recording and automatically sync notebook pages in background.